Hello friends. So today I'm going to explain you about RM and rename command in Linux. So RM command basically when we are using like when we require delete any file and folder that time we are using RM command. And suppose if you we suppose if we need rename the file and directory means folder, so that time we are using the rename command. Okay, so let me log into the server. I will show you. Okay, this is my server. So let me create first few file here. So that file we will use in this video. Touch a test bracket 1 dot 6. So I'm going to create 6 file with touch command. Yeah, you can see it's created. Now let me create a directory mkdir xyz. Okay, and mkdir xyz1. So let me go inside xyz1. Okay, here let me create some file again abc. Okay, okay, fine. So now you can see that file and directory are created. Okay, so let me go one by one. So let me delete first test1. So what you have to use? You have to use rm and then file name. So test1. So it's asking, see, rm remove regular empty file test1. Yes. If you press yes, then it will go to delete. Now you can see yes, deleted. So suppose now you don't want to give the instruction when you deleting the file. So then what you have to do? You have to use rm hyphen f. F means it's going to delete forcefully. It will not ask anything. See, it's not asking anything, and a file is also deleted. You know. Okay. So let me show you here how to delete a directory now. Okay. So suppose if you want to delete XYZ directory, then RM command we will use, right? So we are using RM space XYZ. Now you can see it's throwing error. Means RM cannot remove XYZ is because XYZ is a directory. So in this condition, what we have to do? We have to use option. So we are going to use option rm hyphen r and your directory name xyz. Now you can see it's asking remove directory. If you press yes, then it will be deleted. Now you can see it's a deleted. Let me create one more mkdir xyz. Okay, so created. Now, so when we are using rm hyphen r xyz, it's asking, right? Do you want to remove? We are giving a y, it's deleting. Now we don't want, ask the system to manually, don't want to give manually, no input, yes or no, like kind of things. That time what can have to do? We have to use rm hyphen rf. Again, R means we are going to delete directory. F means forcefully. So it will not ask instruction. See, it's deleted. Okay. So now, see, in this, now again I'm going to delete XYZ1, this directory. So now if suppose we are going to delete this directory, and in this directory inside one file is there. That file name is ABC. Let me show you. You can see ABC is a file. If we will use rm hyphen r and then xyz1, if we will hit enter, what will happen? It will not ask directly this option. I will show you. It will not ask this option rm remove directory xyz. Yes, no. It will ask. I will show you. See, it's showing a message rm uh, descend into directory xyz means it means inside some files are there. So let me give here yes. Now you can see rm remove regular empty file abc. See xyz. Now we have to delete first abc. Then yes. Now we have to give yes again yes. Then it will go to delete directory. Now you can see directory is deleted. You know. Okay. So, sometime, like suppose you have multiple files. Let me touch X, Y, Z, bracket 1 dot dot 50. Okay. So, you can see this X, Y, Z 50 files are there. Now, if you, how you will go to delete all the, suppose you need all the delete this file X, Y, Z, then how you will go? Like manually, like rm hyphen f, and then what you have to do, you have to give the file name. So xyz. Now you have to delete xy, like no 1. Now again you have to use xy2. So this is a long process. So in this condition what you have to do, you can use rm hyphen f and then x y z star. So all the xyz star file, it will go to delete. You can see now. See that xyz file is not available now. So a star means it's going to delete all the files. So inside the file, inside the directory, let me create one directory here also, mkdir test 34. For example, now you want to delete all the content inside this test. So what you have to do, you can use rm hyphen, because you can see here few files and few directories are available. If you use only hyphen f, it will not go to delete directory. So in this condition what you have to do, you have to use rm hyphen rf. R will go to delete a directory and f will go to delete file forcefully, and then a star. Now you can see all deleted, no file, no directories are available inside the test. So this is a basic, like rm command. So now let me explain about the rename command. So let me create again mkdir test and touch touch xyz. So I have created one directory and one file. Now you want to rename this file because you created some purpose, but now your mind is changed because of some requirement. So what you have to do, you have to use rename command and then your directory name. So I'm going to rename directory, right? So you have to give directory name and then you new name. So new name I am going to give admin. Okay, and again you have to give, so here you have to give first rename and then old directory name, new directory name, and then again old directory name. Now you can see it's a rename. Now it's showing admin. Same like that for file also. So old file name xyz, new file name test, again old file name xyz. So you can see that file is also renamed. So this is a for basic rm and rename command in a Linux, and we are using in our day-to-day work also. So I hope you like this video. So please subscribe my channel, share and comment. Thanks for